So, some flaming hot Cheetos. I've been seeing a lot of sushi lately with flaming hot Cheetos, so I'm going to be making a flaming hot Cheeto sushi roll today for you guys. Okay, so not really sure how it'll taste, but probably be a very interesting, definitely, for sure. So, what you will be needing today is a little bit of rice. I blended a little bit of the flaming hot Cheetos already, as you can see. So, some crab meat, cucumber, avocado. I'm gonna be using a little bit of sriracha, I guess, for garnish topping sauce, and then a little bit of QP mayo, and some Japanese seaweed. Alright guys, so let's begin right away. Guys. But anyway, so once again, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys enjoy the content that I keep posting. So we'll keep continuing to post new sushi videos, so I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so guys, let's begin right away. I'm going to take my bowl of rice right here. I'm going to just spread it across my seaweed. And if you guys are ever wondering on how to make the rice or how I make my rice, you guys can just check out some of the other videos that I posted. I have a tutorial video already. Alright, so I'm going to spread my rice, and then once I finish doing that, I'm going to turn it over. Okay. I'm going to put in my my fillings. Okay, so some crab sticks. I'm going to make it similar. I'm going to pretty much make it a California roll filling, and then we're just going to spice it up a little bit. Okay, we'll do that. 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna take my avocado. And then put some inside. Okay, and once I have that, I'm gonna roll it up now. Okay, and once I have that, I'm gonna now take my bamboo mat and kind of just fix it out a little bit. All right, so now that I have my sushi roll pretty much rolled out, I'm going to take the flaming hot Cheetos that I actually blended up, and I'm gonna kind of coat it with this. Okay, so whoops, made a little mess. Alright, so I pretty much coated it in flaming hot Cheetos. Alright, so move that for a second, clean off the cutting board ones. Alright, overall, this is a bit messier than I expected. Cheeto sushi roll pretty much. Okay, so I guess how I'll do it is, it's not sticking too great actually, so I'm just gonna cut it into my pieces, and then I'm gonna plate it, and then we'll garnish it with a little bit more on top after. Alright, so now that I cut that into 8 pieces, I'm gonna plate it. Alright guys, so yeah, I plated the sushi, and this is how I plated it. Alright, so it's California roll with Flaming Hot Cheetos. I just kind of topped it with a little bit more garnish, Cheetos, some scallions, a little extra crab meat that I had, some more Flaming Hot Cheetos, and then a little bit of the avocado that I had. I kind of made into a little flour. So yeah, that's the Flaming Hot Cheetos sushi roll. And I guess maybe if you guys make this, I would suggest putting a little bit of sriracha inside. But since I didn't, maybe on top, or just garnishing it somehow. But give or take, that's the idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.